Picture this. You're sitting in a fortress. The walls are high, the gates are strong, and you've got a force of guards ready to protect it. But how do you know where the attack will come from? Will it be a full frontal assault, a covert operation, or perhaps an insider sabotage? Welcome to the world of threat modeling, a world where identifying, understanding, and preparing for potential threats is the name of the game. Threat modeling, in a nutshell, is a way of thinking about what could go wrong and how to prevent it. It's a systematic process used to identify potential threats to our systems or applications and to assess the gravity of these threats. It's like a game of chess where we try to anticipate our opponent's moves and strategize our defenses accordingly. Think of your system or application as a fortress. Your valuable assets, data, applications, and infrastructure are what you're trying to protect. The threats, hackers, malware, insider threats, are your adversaries laying siege to your fortress. The vulnerabilities in your system are the weak spots in your defenses, like a loose stone in the wall or a rusty gate hinge. Risk assessment comes into play when we try to evaluate the likelihood and potential impact of these threats. It's like predicting whether the storm on the horizon will hit your fortress or pass by harmlessly. But fret not, for it's not all doom and gloom. Threat modeling also involves developing countermeasures, the security controls to address these threats and vulnerabilities. These are your defensive strategies, the guards on your walls, and the reinforcements for your gates. Let's take a stroll through some real-world examples. Imagine you're running an e-commerce website. Your treasure trove is the customer data and payment information. The threats? Hackers trying to steal this data. Or perhaps you're a manufacturer of IoT devices. Your valuable assets are the devices themselves, and the threats could be unauthorized access or firmware tampering. By performing threat modeling, we can proactively address these security concerns. It's like reinforcing your fortress before the battle begins. This not only helps prevent security breaches, but also reduces risks and enhances overall security. So there you have it. An introduction to the fascinating world of threat modeling. It's a vital tool in our cybersecurity arsenal, helping us to anticipate threats, evaluate risks, and fortify our defenses. Remember, in the game of security, the best defense is a good offense. Stay tuned and subscribe for more insights into the world of technology and cybersecurity. We are at Demystify Tech.